Here we are this morning, and I'm in my fine glory with my hair pulled back, no makeup, and that is because it's busy mail day today. So what I wanted to do today was show you how to use the MyPost Business Buddy Chrome extension that Paul Lowry has made. A lot of people have asked me for a little tutorial on this, so while I'm doing my mail today, I thought I would show you. So the first thing you need to do is using Chrome as your internet browser. You go to Google and search up MyPost Business Buddy Chrome extension. And then you'll see it come up and you can click on it here and it'll open up in the Chrome Web Store like so. And it's very simple to get it on you. You just go add to Chrome and then it'll say you can read and change your data on AusPost, read your browsing history. So just go add extension. And there it is. It's now been added. Now there are instructions and things here, but one thing I want to point out to you, so down the bottom, you'll see here, you've got and it does tell you what it is. There's a help page, which is this middle icon. There is this cog picture here, which is where you go in to set your options, which is what I'll show you. And then there is this one, which is a really important one. And I urge you all to click on that because that's supporting Paul to do this, and he does this for free. You don't have to pay for it, but I urge everyone to click on the cup and buy Paul Lowry a coffee. So that is just what I am going to do, and I'm going to put in who the coffee is from, and then I'm going to put thank you so much for your fantastic work on this. You don't have to put a message in, but I'm just doing it, because it's nice. There, and you can set it up to be a monthly donation, or you can just do it as a one-off thing. So mine's just going to be a one-time, and I'm going to click on tip, and then you can just go and use your PayPal, and there we'll see we bought Paul Lowry a coffee. So there we go. So you don't have to do that, but I just encourage everyone to do that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go in, open it up again and go into, so once you've got extensions on your Chrome, this little jigsaw piece is how you get into them so that you can change your settings. So if you just click on that and then go to your MyPost Business Buddy, and this pops up, and then go to your settings. So if you have a look here, you'll see the settings. So you've got all different things that you can set so that this will automatically fill those fields in or fix those fields. So when you put in a new order, which is where you're typing it in yourself, it'll enable tracking notifications to send the recipient. You can tick the box, and then the box that you usually have to tick for does the parcel contain dangerous goods, you can tick that and that will automatically fill that in. You can enable save this address to the address book. One of the best things that you can set in here is default packaging type. Now for me, generally my default packaging is going to be a small satchel. But say I was sending lots and lots of hats, right? And that my hats always go in a special cardboard box, and they weigh basically the same thing every time. So you could set this all up 0.495, and you would know automatically, I'm making this up because I don't remember what the measurements are exactly, have that all set up so that every time you use it, that is automatically going to select those particular measurements. But I'm just going to go into small satchel. Then you've got your draft order. So when you import into AusPost from eBay, these things need to be fixed when you do that, and this is just such a time-saving thing. So you can enable send tracking notification to this recipient, and as we know, you need to fix the phone number, so it will try to do that for you. Again, we've got ticked choose no, does this parcel contain dangerous goods? And also the description when it goes in is always too long, so you can tick this box, which will automatically cut that off at 50 characters. You can remove the eBay tracking tags and move them to an empty address line. So you know how they had them where they were all doubled up? If you want to do that, you can do that. And you can enable save this address to your address book. Now, then we go here, and this is probably one of one of the best things, because you want something to come up on your label so you know which label is for which item. You can replace the text in the reference field automatically, and there's all different choices that you can have. So you can actually put the person you're sending it to's full name to automatically go in there if that suits you, or you can just do their last name or their first name. Part of the description, you can leave the original reference but add something to it, and you can put a number in there. So if you want to put a number in there, you can use the curly brackets, and you could have, say, number 5 in there if you needed to do that, or something like that. What I usually do, and you don't have to do what I do, but I'm just telling you how I do it. I usually put the last name and then just have the break, and then I have the description. And so that'll put in the first part of the description and the last name of the person I'm sending it to, because that will give me that double check with the label. And then, as I said, my normal selection here is going to be for a small satchel. So you save your preferences, and then you can straight away go in and log into your Right, and we're going to import our orders, and yes, they've been successfully imported. So we choose the order, and if we go down, you'll see here that in the description field, it has got the person's surname and what they bought. The box for does the parcel contain dangerous goods is already ticked. The description is right, it's fine. So you can just, basically, once you get the hang of it and realise what this has done for you, you can just scroll all the way down. I just need to scroll straight down when I go into one, check that it is the right parcel size, and then click select whether it's going to be regular post or express post, and go save order. And of course, this one is a regional one, so it's a little bit dearer than normal, and just go save order. Doing your post starts to get quicker and quicker, because you basically just need to check that you've got the right thing in the description, scroll down, make sure the right size parcel, click select, save order. Let's do one more just to show you how quick it is. I just scroll down here, another rural one, click select and save order. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Thank you, Paul, so much.